Just received this horse game for review, and I'm coming on here to show you guys how it works and also my review of it. Okay, so it does come with a manual or instruction sheet, so it will tell you all the game rules, everything back to front, which is amazing because I've never played this before, so I'm definitely gonna need it. And then what's super cool about it is that all the pieces and everything that goes with it is inside here. And then this is also the game board. So it's literally in one piece. You can tidy up very easily. You don't have any loose pieces around. And all you do is kind of open this. And then this will open. And then you can see all the pieces are in here. So we got the horses up here. We've got the dice over here. Dice are actually really big. Pretty cool. And then we've got playing cards over here. And then we've got the poker chips in here. So let me just get out all this stuff. The horses have a lot of weight to them. Like they're actually kind of heavy. They feel like really good quality. Okay, so everything is out from here. Now I'm gonna turn it around. Basically, we have the finish line here. You have the starting gate here. Okay, so these are all the chips. This is kind of what they look like. They each have a number. And basically at the start of the game, you have to just divide them amongst everybody equally. So everybody gets the same amount of chips. But basically, you just line up these horses. Doesn't matter which color they are in. I'm trying to mix it up. But yeah, the horses are lined up. All right, and here are the cards as well. This is all of them. I believe you do have to take the jokers out. But I think you also divide this up between the amount of players you have. And then basically what happens is you roll the dice. So say I got a 3. And now horsey number 3 is going to go back 1 spot. And I believe you do this with the first like maybe 4 or 5 horses. I can't remember. So that's a 6. So we're going to go back 2 spots for this one. And then that's an 8, 3. And then we'll do a last one. That's a 10, so 4. And then I'm not sure how the chips work, but I believe for the first horse, that player puts 5 in. The second one, I think it was 10. And then I believe it goes up and up. So we got a 50 right here. All right, so that's kind of how it starts off. And then now, once you roll, so I got a 3 again. So say it was my turn and I got a 3. Because this horse is in this backward position, now I have to put down 5 right here. And basically, whenever somebody gets that winning shot, like say horse 12 is right here and they're about to win, I think they're gonna win the whole prize, and then that person basically wins. So it's pretty much all up to chance, because like horse 12 and horse 2, they only have to go 3 spots. Horse 11 only has to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the middle ones have to go like a lot more. So it's just like a pretty fun kind of chance family game that you can play with your kids, you can play with your friends. It's super cool just to have some socializing time, but also be playing a game. So definitely recommend this. This is a cool little game, and I honestly can't wait to try it with my husband. So yeah, go get yours.